Hello, friends. Welcome back to the English Fluency Podcast with Emma and Daniel.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to something special today.
That's right. This is day 1 of our English speaking course.
Day 1. What makes this different from our other episodes?
Today we focus completely on speaking, not just listening.
Speaking confidently right from the start?
Exactly. Even if you only know a little English, you can speak today.
That sounds amazing, but also a little scary.
Don't worry, we'll build your confidence step by step.
What will we cover on day 1?
Why confidence matters, key sentence patterns, real practice dialogues, and a speaking drill.
I'm ready. But first, our small favor.
Like this episode. Subscribe to our channel and join us for the whole course.
And try our free Cambridge Veritas Speech Analyzer, link in the description, to track your speaking progress.
Okay, let's begin day 1 of your English speaking course.
Let's speak English starting right now.
Let's start with an important idea. What matters more, perfect grammar or confidence?
I always thought grammar was most important.
It's important, but confidence comes first. People understand you even with small mistakes.
Really?
Yes. Imagine someone says, "I go to market yesterday." It's not perfect, but you understand it, right?
Yes, I understand it completely.
Exactly. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
So I shouldn't be afraid of mistakes?
Never. Mistakes are part of learning and part of speaking.
That actually makes me feel much better.
Good. From today, your goal is simple. Speak, even if it's not perfect.
Speak first, perfect later.
Exactly. Let's build your speaking toolkit now.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Let's learn 5 simple sentence patterns you can use today in almost any conversation.
Let's hear them.
Pattern 1. I want. For example, I want a coffee.
I want to learn English.
Perfect. Pattern 2. I need. For example, I need help.
I need more time.
Excellent. Pattern 3. I have. For example, I have a question.
I have 2 brothers.
Great. Pattern 4. I like. For example, I like coffee.
I like English movies.
Wonderful. Pattern 5. Can I? For example, can I ask a question?
Can I have some water?
Perfect. These 5 patterns alone can help you in hundreds of situations.
I want, I need, I have, I'd like, can I, simple but powerful.
Exactly. Let's practice using them in real conversation now. Let's practice introducing yourself, using confidence, not perfection.
Let's try.
Hi, I don't think we've met. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. What do you do?
I work in marketing. I like my job very much.
That's great. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, I speak Portuguese and I'm learning English now.
That's wonderful. Your English sounds good.
Thank you. I practice every day.
Perfect notice. Daniel spoke confidently, even with simple sentences.
It didn't feel scary at all, just natural.
That's the power of using simple, confident sentences.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Now, let's practice asking questions. Another key speaking skill.
Let's practice. Excuse me, what's your name?
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from Brazil. Do you like living here?
Yes, I really enjoy it. The people are very friendly.
That's great to hear.
Perfect questions, Daniel. Simple, clear, and natural.
What if I don't know how to ask something?
Start with simple question words. What, where, when, why, and how.
Let's practice those. What's your favorite food? Where do you work? How was your day?
Perfect examples. These question words open the door to almost any conversation. Now, a fun drill. I'll say a phrase, you respond quickly using today's patterns.
I'm ready.
Someone asks, "Would you like some coffee?"
Yes, I'd like some coffee, please.
Someone asks, "Do you need any help?"
Yes, I need a little help, thank you.
Someone asks, "Do you have any questions?"
Yes, I have one question.
Someone asks, "What do you like to do on weekends?"
I like to relax and see my friends.
Excellent, fast, natural responses.
That felt like real conversation speed.
Exactly, that's the goal. Quick, confident responses.
If you want to speak English fast, try our AI speech analyzer. The link is in the description.
Now, let's talk about mistakes. What do you do when you make one?
I usually feel embarrassed and stop talking.
That's very common, but let's change that today.
How?
Simple. Just correct yourself calmly and continue.
Let's practice. I go, sorry, I went to the market yesterday.
Perfect. You corrected yourself smoothly and kept talking.
That felt much better than stopping completely.
Exactly. A small pause and correction is completely natural, even for native speakers.
What if I don't know a word?
Describe it instead, or ask for help.
Let's practice. I don't know the word, but it's a place where you buy medicine.
Ah, you mean a pharmacy?
Yes, exactly. A pharmacy.
Perfect. Describing works even when you forget a word completely. Let's review our 5 key sentence patterns from today.
I want, I need, I have, I like, and can I?
Perfect. And our question words?
What, where, when, why, and how.
Excellent. And what do we do when we make a mistake?
Correct calmly and keep talking.
Wonderful. You remembered everything from day 1.
This feels like a real toolkit now, not just random words.
Exactly. Simple patterns you can use immediately, every single day.
If you want to speak English fluently, you can join our English course using the link in the description.
Daniel, what did we learn on day 1?
That confidence matters more than perfect grammar.
And 5 simple sentence patterns you can use immediately.
Yes. Plus, how to introduce yourself ask questions, and handle mistakes calmly.
What's the most important message from today?
Speak first. Don't wait for perfect English.
Exactly. Our question for you, will you try speaking out loud today?
Tell us in the comments.
Which sentence pattern will you use first?
Share it with other learners.
Please like this episode.
Subscribe and join us for the next lesson in our English speaking course.
And don't forget our free Cambridge Veritas speech analyzer, linked below.
Share this with a friend who's afraid to speak English.
This could be exactly what they need to start.
Thank you for learning with us.
Your English is getting better every day.
This was day 1 of the English Fluency Podcast speaking course.
Until next time, speak with confidence starting today.
You've got this.
Bye, everyone. See you on day 2.
Happy speaking.
If you learned something new today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.